Start burn na. Start burn.
As twilight falls, the new moon draws near.
Loko! Boss! Ayos lang! Hindi na napasok! Ayos yan! Magbutihan mo! Maganda ba tutunguhan mo? Ayos yan! Tapos cellphone agad! Ayos yan! Maganda ba tutunguhan mo?
The moonlight spares no mercy to the foes of Azrael. Request backup! Okay! Trespassers will not be followed. First blood! Eclipse. Until the
Sino
new
naman yung
moon raises us
kakampi?
again,
Wala na naman
my fight
pumupunta.
carries on. Request backup! Okay!
Puro okay.
The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, precise. Wise choice. Watch your back. Request backup. The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner of the forest. Enemy reach level 4. You can't run from my arrow. Ally has been slain. The enemy has slain the dragon. The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated.
Ito na lang lang oh. Ito na lang lang oh. Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Forever shone.
Huwag ka lang dumatay. Sana di ka na lang dumatay.
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Tek mawawasak na yung Torre Bags pag dumatay. Tangan din.
Launch attack! The moon may be dark, but our hope outweighs everything. Launch attack! Fade into the moon. moonlight. Request backup. Understood. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. The enemy has slain the turret. Initiate retreat. Destroy the turret. A gift from the great forest. Launch attack. The way of the hunter. Moderate, respectful, and sincere. May the moon forever shine upon us.
Sagyawa.
For Asia, our last homeland. Launch attack. The way of the bow. Initiate retreat. Fade into the moonlight. Enemy ult on CD. Have been slain. The eclipse. Request backup. Until the new moon graces us again, my fight carries on. Initiate retreat. May the moon forever shine upon us.
Sakit.
Request backup.
Ano ba? Lagi na lang nasa baba.
Ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Enter the battle. Our turret has been destroyed.
Tang inong mga kampiyan.
The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner of the forest. Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat! My aim is true. Request backup! The enemy has slain the turtle. Wise choice. Initiate retreat. The way of the arrow. Fade into the moonlight. Launch attack. You can't run from my arrow. Destroy the turret. Enemy ult on CD. Request backup. Slain. turret has been destroyed. Forever shine upon us. You have slain an enemy. Bow before the glory of the moon goddess. Our turret is under attack. Unstoppable. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy double kill.
Ako, umuwi ka na sa lola mo. Ano nangyayari dito eh?
The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated. The enemy has slain Lord. Impressive. You have been slain. Enemy godlike. Enemy killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret. Forest. Request backup. Okay. Request backup. Legendary. I'm ready to re-enter the battle. Hang in there. Attack enemy lord. The forest is on my watch when the moon is shrouded in darkness. Our turret is under attack. Been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. My arrow. Enemy double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, and precise. Initiate retreat. The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner. Fade into the moonlight. Ally has been slain. The way of the hunter. Under attack. The forest might burn. The moon may be dark, but our hope outlives everything. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Impressive. Killing spree. Shut down.
Nagdadasal si Kupal, oh. Pero ba't dito to nakarap?
Attack the Lord. Gather at the Lord. Understood. The moonlight spares no mercy. Ally has slain Lord. Begone from our forest. A gift from the great forest.
Putik yan. Pinagtulungan ako. 4?
Eclipse.
Hindi daw kasi ako kaya. Di ba kayo makakalabas? Labas naman ba? Labas naman. Lagi na lang kayo nasa loob ng base. Ako nga nandito.
Understood.
Talo na lamang yung Lord. Wala man lang pumunta para dalawan. Hindi nag-iisip.
Until the new moon graces us again, my fight carries on.
Ano ba kasi? Pero dito wala naman palang core.
Destroy the turret.
Hindi, wow. Kung walang core, ako na lang magpapan. Siyempre.
Initiate retreat. Understood. The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, and precise. My arrow is my answer. The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner of the forest. Elves won't give in, no matter how much more suffering will go. You can't run from my arrow.
Puti kayo, patay na kayo. Wala na kayong katakasan. Wala mo ng sipa. And I thank you.
Gather up the Lord! Gather up the Lord!
Putik, uwi! Wala na! Opo.
Defeat.
Si Cecilion parang anong kwenta?
I am the moonlight that
Yung
brings
si naman ng yabang. Di ba, dapat lang yan ako. Dapat MVP. Ako pinakamalakas eh. Putik na patay yan. 0. Siya daw mas malakas sa akin. 0. 0 patay. Isa pa nga. Ito na naman nakakampi ka, nakakagigil na. Ha, nakakagigil na to. Nakakampi ka na to. Ba't nakakampi ka na naman mo?
I am the moonlight that
Siyempre,
brings
makakaano naman tayo.
Do you want to make friends with me?
Ito maganda.
I'm the
Siguro nga ito na.
master of pain and the beast of fate.
Ay, ang ganda niya ito. Ay, napakaangas. Ay, napakaangas. Uy! Uy, wag naman ganyan. Uy! Gusto nyo ba maglapa ko habang naglalaro? So dito, welcome to Mobile Legends.
Mobile Legends.
And sin in a more,
Enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Kulang na isa yung core.
Mortal realm, Kai
Tingnan
has
natin.
returned. We will
Ey,
finish
ey,
things
ey,
up.
ey. Moves, moves. Ah. Huli ka. Huli ka, boy. Huli ka, boy. Huli ka. Ooh. Ah. Bye-bye.
The master of pain is back.
Siyempre, yung favorite mo, yung picture.
An enemy has been slain.
Malakas daw yung Chu sa akin. Pero wala namang patay.
Slain.
Baka mas malakas na patay. Ay, huwag siya yung atakihin mo ah. Kaya, huwag siya yung atakihin mo tay. Ako dapat inaatake, hindi siya. Ito naman si Aulus. Papakitaan ko to ng Baulus. Baulus.
Ally has been slain. Enemy
Oh, andito na ako. Babay na.
has been slain.
Kaya atake. Ano boy? Ano Jay?
Enemy reached level 4.
Ano Jay pakang? Ano Jay?
Killing spree.
The same fate awaits them all.
Uy, umatake nga po pala. Aulus. Uy, dalawa sila. Kaya ako ay kinabahan. Wata! Dalawa pa kayo ah. Eto, dito ka. Ah, sakit. May SSM. Uy, ayun na si Manny Pacquiao.
An enemy has been slain.
Diyan na nga.
I'm ready for a rematch.
Picture. Ba't parang pambading siya maglakad?
Slay the turtle.
Nagja-jumping no.
Request backup. Understood.
Nandito na ako, pag... Okay, SS to SS na, ano, Jay? Ano, Jay? Pakang... Ano, Jay? Ano, Jay?
Double kill. Double kill. Ally has
The Jade Palace will fall.
Andito na si... Ano, Jay? Pakang, ayan na, boy. Ano, boy? Takbo na, boy. Takbo na, boy. Takbo na, boy. Takbo na, boy. Ano, Jay? Pakang... Ano, may dumayo na naman, kaya mo yun, Pads. Hindi mo maa-atake yan, boy. Kung malakas ka, maa-atake mo. Sakit ng damage ni. Grabe, ako yung pinakamalakas na tank. Ay, hindi. Ako lang pinakamain ng tank na. Sakit mo talaga. Ayoko na. Sakit naman nun.
Kulay dilaw kay Jello. 50 lang. Bobby, sakto sa kanya. Saktong-sakto sa mukha.
Ready for a rematch.
Sa meron gasan mo to. Bubuksan ko yung tubig doon.
Backup. Enemy invading jungle.
Tama yung bata. Tapos hindi mo Binantayan ko yung kagabi sa Accident! Di sinasadya. You know that thing?
Lakas naman yung Hana Beach.
The master of
Hana
pain is
Beach, sila pulota. Sitalo to bushita. Uzale la bushuta ba. Uy, yun nga yun na yun.
Akin na. Ay, ito na. Open na, oh.
Nasitama. Ako isang Pinoy, nagpupush lang. Pinoy na nagpupush lang ng mga tore. Ano gay? Eh, si Kupra. Matakin na nga po.
Wala, wait lang. Ayusin mo muna, Bobo.
Takbo-takbo ka ngayon, boy. Ano? Takbo-takbo ka ngayon.
Para malaki.
Ito na nga po si Hana Beach. 1, 2, 3. Ay, CCTV.
Nagkasabo na ba yun?
Bak! Kupal. And I thank you. Ay, ikaw din. Makalag din.
Wala na, tapos na gawin.
Tatalunan ka lang nito. Ano, Jay? Ano, Jay?
Aalis ako, te.
Uy, ayoko na. Bye. Ulit yung dalawa. Jumping rope.
Gago ka ba, Mer?
Abang nandun pa sana sa taas, dapat pinush nyo na.
Mag-ano muna doon. Maligo ay mag-ano, gas.
Uy, di mo yan kaya, pilingero ka. Isa lang kakayanin. Buhay na yung dalawang malakas.
Shut down. Your team destroyed a turret.
Ay, ang kukupal ka pa, boss.
Sabugan mo yung paa niyan.
Oh, boss, nangungupal ba kayo, boss? Kung kayo nangungupal, wag ako. Wag ako. Kundi, itong matitikman nyo, oh. Ayan, oh. Wag ako, boss. Ay. Uy!